Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Garden of Banban. First, you'll want to grasp the unique atmosphere and simple horror elements that define the game. Next, select a user-friendly game engine such as Unity or Unreal Engine to begin your project. Finally, sketch out a basic story and the main gameplay loops to guide your development process. This foundational planning is crucial for an easy and effective creation. Now, let's focus on bringing your characters to life. Design distinct, colorful characters using simple shapes, much like the original game. You can create two-dimensional or three-dimensional assets that perfectly match your chosen aesthetic. Don't hesitate to explore free asset packs or use straightforward modeling software to save time and effort. Remember, simplicity often enhances the eerie charm of the Banban universe. Moving on to level design and gameplay, construct your levels with clear objectives and easy-to-solve puzzles. Implement basic movement and interaction controls that are intuitive for players. Integrate effective jump scares and subtle environmental storytelling to build suspense. Focus on creating an engaging experience without overcomplicating the mechanics. A well-designed level enhances the overall spooky fun. Finally, let's add the finishing touches. Incorporate eerie sound effects and atmospheric background music to heighten the suspense. Thoroughly test your game for any bugs and refine the gameplay for a smooth experience. Once polished, consider sharing your creation with others. And hey, for a different kind of upgrade, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your space tidy while you create.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.